What's up guys, Mike from Lucid here, and the channel just recently hit 4,000 subscribers, and while that's awesome and I appreciate every single one of you, it's just not quite enough.
I gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
I want to hit the 5,000 subscriber mark as soon as possible, and the only way I could think to do it is with some good old-fashioned bribery.
It's the American way.
So I'm giving away a fully welded ultimate manual tire changer to one lucky viewer. This isn't like other YouTube giveaways where you need to purchase something from me to get entries into a raffle. This is absolutely free to enter, and there's only two things you need to do. The first thing I need you to do is subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, you could tell a few friends, all of you can enter, and this just increases your odds of winning. The catch is, once you're here for life. Blood in, blood out. The second thing I need you to do is to leave a comment on the video that you're currently watching. That'll count as your entry, and this is the one and only way to enter. You don't have to say anything specific, you just need to leave a comment. It could be as simple as telling me to count you in, tell me about a project you're working on, talk about your dog, about why your wife hates you this week, where you're from, it doesn't matter. Just leave a comment below and I'll pick one randomly using an app that'll pick it for me. Only one comment from any single account will be accepted, so there's no advantage to leaving multiple comments. The only stipulation to entering is that you have to live in the US, and that does include Alaska and Hawaii. Once a winner is chosen, they'll have 48 hours to respond to my comment. I'll reach out to you to sort out the details. If 48 hours goes by and I don't hear back from you, then another winner will be chosen, and so on and so forth. I'll be posting up a video on the channel to announce the winner, so when you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Guys, don't fall for any scammer comments telling you to message them on Telegram or call them on WhatsApp. I'll be responding to the winning comment at the same time as the announcement video is released, and no sooner. Details can be found in the description of this video. If you have any questions at all, email me at lucidautowerks@gmail.com. Good luck, and I hope you come for the tire changer and stay for the content.